Respected Mayor of Apia, the President of the School Committee, Mr. Tuilatu Hua, respected Principal of the Primary School of Apia, Mr. Lei Taua. Boys and girls, good morning. Good morning. This morning, I'm very happy to visit your beautiful school with my wife and my colleagues from Chinese Embassy. I live in Vailima. My house is in Vailima. It's very near to the Robert Louis Stevenson Museum. I often meet the students from Apia Primary School because I can recognize you in the beautiful pink uniform. Thank you very much for your beautiful song to welcome I and my colleagues. You can sing very good Chinese song. I can understand. Where is the spring? The spring is in the eyes of the children. As you know, China is a good friend of Samoa. Our two peoples have a long history of friendship. For example, in the past several years, we sent several Chinese teachers to teach Chinese language in your school. So this morning, I'm glad to hear you can sing the Chinese song so well. Because of the strong sunshine, so I don't talk too much. This morning, I come to your school, just want to donate some music instruments like the guitars, the drums, the amplifiers, and the microphones. I hope these musical instruments will bring you the beautiful music and bring you the happy life. Finally, I will say, wish you all the Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Sang 巴里欧达金金里，谁领公国